Vietnam is not just a destination, it's a journey you feel in every moment. In this curated 8 days in Vietnam, Vietnam Tour.in blends culture, nature, and island luxury into one seamless experience. With private transfers, premium 4-star services, and thoughtfully designed tours, everything flows effortlessly. So you can simply enjoy, explore, and connect. Welcome to Da Nang, where modern energy meets coastal serenity. From the moment you arrive, your private transfer ensures a smooth and stress-free journey to your hotel. Settle into your comfortable 4-star stay, take a deep breath, and let the journey begin at your own pace. The gentle sea breeze and relaxed atmosphere set the tone for the days ahead. Your journey begins with a breathtaking cable car ride, soaring high above lush mountains and drifting clouds. A moment that feels almost unreal. As you step onto the iconic Golden Bridge, giant stone hands rise from the earth, lifting you into a dreamlike world above the sky. Wander through the charming French village, where cobblestone streets, elegant facades, and cool mountain air create a setting straight out of Europe. Capture stunning photos at every corner, then dive into the lively energy of Fantasy Park for a touch of fun and excitement. Discover a different rhythm of life at Cam Tan Coconut Village, where you glide through peaceful waterways in a traditional basket boat. Continue to Hoi An Ancient Town, where lanterns glow and time seems to slow down. Walk through historic houses, visit the Japanese bridge, and explore cultural landmarks rich in heritage. As you release a flower lantern, the moment becomes quiet, meaningful, and deeply memorable. Enjoy a relaxed morning before your private transfer takes you seamlessly to the airport. Every connection is carefully arranged by VietnamTour.in, allowing your journey to feel smooth and effortless. Arrive in Phu Quoc, where turquoise waters and tropical landscapes welcome you instantly. Check into your resort and unwind in a setting designed for comfort and relaxation. Begin your island adventure from An Thoi Harbor, cruising across crystal clear waters. Swim, snorkel, and relax at Mong Tai, Gam Gi, and Mae Rot Islands, each offering its own beauty. Experience the world's longest oversea cable car to Tom Island and enjoy Aquatopia Water Park. End your day at Sunset Town, where golden light and vibrant energy create a magical atmosphere. Step into the wild at Vin Pearl Safari, where animals roam freely across vast open habitats, creating an experience that feels immersive, peaceful, and incredibly close to nature. As you journey through the park, every moment brings a sense of wonder, quiet, authentic, and beautifully unfiltered. In the afternoon, the atmosphere shifts as you enter the vibrant world of Vin Wonders. Colorful zones, thrilling rides, and lively entertainment surround you, filling the day with energy and excitement. Explore the vibrant charm of Sunset Town with its Mediterranean-inspired architecture and coastal views. Walk through boutique streets, visit the clock tower, and reach the iconic Kissing Bridge overlooking the ocean. As night falls, the Kiss of the Sea show brings lights, water, and performance together in a spectacular display. It's an evening that feels magical, romantic, and unforgettable. Today is yours. A quiet morning by the beach, a final swim, or simply time to relax. There's no rush, no pressure, just space to enjoy the last moments of your journey. When it's time, your private transfer ensures a smooth and comfortable trip to the airport. You leave feeling refreshed, fulfilled, and inspired. With VietnamTour.in, travel becomes more than a trip. It becomes a seamless, elevated experience. From mountain views in Bana Hills to island escapes in Phu Quoc, every detail is thoughtfully designed for comfort and connection. If you're ready to experience Vietnam in a way that feels effortless, refined, and truly unforgettable, contact VietnamTour.in today and begin your own 8 days in Vietnam journey.